Hi, Professor. My name is Blesson, and welcome to my assignment presentation, assignment number 4. This is the PowerShell assignment. And without wasting time, we can go to the video. We can go to the program. And first of all, I need to make sure that I don't have any pre-created folders inside my directory. So I use the C directory for this purpose. So I just want to show you that I don't have any assignment folder in here, and I only have the source file in the C directory, and I'm using the C directory for this purpose. That's why I showed this one. So we can let's go to the task one. In the task one, we are getting the updates or the hotfixes that we installed in a specific duration of time. Here we are using the get hotfix to get all the installed updates in our local machine, and here we are checking some conditions, like we are calling where in there we are checking specific duration of time that from the starting of the year to the date till I did this program, that is 17/8/2022. So in this period of time, we are try to get the updates that we are installed on our local machine. And then after that, we are sorting the installed items or the installed updates in a descending order. And we need only need couple of details, like the hotfix ID, description, installation, installed on or installed by. So without wasting time, we can run this program. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, when we run this program, we can clearly see that I recently updated to it to the Windows 11. So I only have 5 updates, and it is arranged in the this required format with the hotfix ID, description, installed and installed by. And also I sorted that thing in a descending order. You can find out that the latest installed is come at the top, and the earlier installed come under the on the last part. So it is sorted in a descending order. So that's it for the first part. In the second part, we can see that we need to create a directory, assignment4 in my our C directory. I created that using this method: new item, create item type directory. And after that, inside that, we need to make 3 folders, that is the temp1 and temp2 and temp3. So for that, I use the mk directory and code for that one. And after that, after making the directory, we need to I just save these directories in a variable. And the first one is the task2. This is a source file where all the contents are stored. And we created 3 variables with the 3 destination, like the temp1, temp2, temp3. These are the folders that we created using mk directory. And after that, there are certain actions that you described in to achieve, like the moving item from the source to the destination. Destination 1 is the temp1. So I need to move the course intro.txt and name.txt to the destination ones. Similar like that, we need to move couple of files inside that. And after that, once we done with that thing, we need to delete some items from the thing. So first of all, I will show that these items are created or not. So I just running this part only, like the creating this one and moving items. After that, we can verify that it is moved or right or not. So when I run this thing, you can find out that the 3 directories are created, and the assignment4 is also created. We can check that in our here, like when we refresh this thing, we can find out the assignment4 folder, and we have 3 temp folders. And we can see that these files are copied from the source file that already we have. Also, we can check in the source files. We can say that we only have 2 files right now, because all the other files are moved to the which folder, the assignment4 folder. And now we need to delete the items that is remaining in this source file. That is our next step, that is get child item in the source file and remove item. And same like the assignment folder, and also we need to get the name of the folders that we deleted, so that we are using this. After running this code, we can clearly say that it asks for the permission to delete the files and folders inside the task 2. So we are giving the permission yes. So after that, you can see that after that we are showing the contents in the C assignment directory. So we can see that temp1, temp2, temp3, these are the three folders. Inside the temp1 we have courseintro.txt and name.txt, ps test.ps1. Similar like that, we have temp2 and temp3, and these are the files we got after deleting the files from the directories. So that's it for the task 2. When we look at the task 3, the first step is to make the current directory to assignment folder, and we need to look for, like, we need to check whether the items that start with the temp, which means that we only have the three folders inside that. We need to check whether the items inside that folder starts with the temp. If it is started with the temp, we check that condition using if loop, and if it is satisfied, we are entering into the if loop and we are checking for each item in the content. These are the variables that I created. You can see that what I'm trying to do, and also I described all that thing in the, you can find the document folder also. And here we are trying to get the name of this thing. So first of all, we are getting the name of the thing, and second, the thing is the last access time, which means the time that we deleted the items, and we are deleting we are printing the because we know that all the contents inside that we need to delete this thing. So we are using that thing. And after the items, remove item, which means we are removing the item. So we can check that thing. So first of all, we need to run this thing and we can check. Yeah, here we get some, yeah. I think we got the thing. Yo, I missed the curly braces, so just a second. Task 3. Yep, that's it. Yeah, it is asking for the permission to delete all the items. I am giving the permission to yes to all. And here we can see that these are the temp1 directory and its contents removed, temp2 directory and its content removed, all the things. And we can find some error message also. That's because we are trying to print the item, but actually these folders are already deleted. That's why it's showing the error message. That's it, because it's already deleted. The temp1, temp2, temp3 is already deleted, and then it is trying to delete each items inside the directory. That's why it's getting that message. And now it's a task 4. In the task 4, first of all, we can run this program. In the task 4, we are trying to get the services, we are trying to get some sort of services. And first of all, we are checking that if the services, we need to only have the services that are currently in stopped position. So we are checking the condition if it is stopped or not. So that is equal to stopped, which means we only getting the services that is currently in stopped position. And after that, we are checking two conditions, like where the required service, which means that the services which are depending on dependencies, we are simply checking the dependency here. If it is not equal to null, which means that it is required services and it is dependent services. So that's it. And after, if all these conditions either one of these condition is to be matched, and after that, getting the result, we are formatting the table. We need to get the output in the desired format. We need to get the status, name, and the required services. After running this code, we will get like this one. We will get the services which are currently in the stopped position with the required services and the dependent services as a list, as a table. So that's it for the program. Oh, I need to show the items are deleted or not. Yeah, you can see that there is nothing. I forgot to show this one. There is nothing remaining in the assignment 4 folder, because we in the task 3 we deleted all the items in the assignment 4 folder. So that's it for the program. Thank you so much.